Hi guys, how are you? And I'm hoping you guys are doing great. Once again I'm in front of you to let you know, to teach you the chapter that I started my previous class by the name of these, that, these and those. But I could teach you only this and that. I did not teach you these and those. And I promised you that next day I would introduce the use of these and those. So let's commence learning without much ado, without further ado. Without much ado, bina deri kiye, that is called neki or pooch pooch, which means. So without much ado, let's learn the use of these and those. One thing I had already spoken to you in my class, in my previous class, that these those are the plural of this and that. So this means yeh, these means ye sab, या फिर ये सभी. That means वह, और those means वो सब या फिर वो सभी. And possessive adjectives and possessive pronoun will be as it is, no changing at all. With singular, with plural, no changing. These both sections will be as it is. So today we have to focus on two things. First, mandatory changes, यानी जरूरी बदलाव, और second, the uses. How can we use those changes in sentences? So I would like to show you what kind of changes we are going to have today. So let's see the changes. So I am writing here, I can write here part 2. Part 2. This is the part 2 of our this, that, these and those. So in part 2, first of all, mandatory changes. Mandatory changes like singular, plural, plural. Because we all know these, that are performing as far as singular is concerned, or these and those will perform as far as plural is concerned. So let me write what comes under singular or what will come under plural. So like this, first word is this, second one word is that, third word is, and fourth word is singular noun. SN means singular noun, right? So see the change. This will be converted into these, and that will be converted into those. Each will be R, or SN will be PN, means plural noun. If here it is, if SN is pen, it will be pens. If SN is chair, it will be chairs. So pen singular, pens plural, chair singular, chairs plural. So these changes we will see while making sentences. And I have already mentioned one point, that there will not be any change as far as possessive adjective and possessive nouns are concerned. Now, according to the change, I am going to write the structure. These, otherwise those, plus are P adjective plus plural nouns. Structure number 2, these, those, plus plural noun are P pro. यानी कि पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन। और लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, दीज, दोज प्लस आर प्लस P Pro. In my previous class, here I wrote this and that, here I wrote is, here I wrote possessive adjective, there is no changing at all, and SN, singular noun. So today what I have done, this that have become those, or these, is has become are, possessive adjective as it is, or singular noun has become plural noun. And next sentence, this that converted those these, thereafter plural noun is switched into are or possessive pronoun, no changing at all. Or last one, these, those, are and possessive pronoun. Let's make sentences. Example, these are my stories. Look at the change. Yesterday it was this is my story, but today these are my stories. ये सभी मेरी ये सभी मेरी कहानियां हैं, ये सभी मेरी कहानियां हैं। नेक्स्ट, दीज स्टोरीज आर माइन, यानी ये सभी कहानियां मेरी हैं। And last but not the least, these are mine, ये सभी मेरी, ये सभी मेरी हैं, ये सभी कहानियाँ मेरी हैं. So you can see the C changes. Lot of changes are there. This, that, those, is, are, singular, then it has become plural. And Hindi you can also see drastic change. Like these are my stories, यानी ये सभी मेरी कहानियाँ हैं. The stories are mine, ये सभी कहानियाँ मेरी हैं. और last, ये सभी मेरी हैं, which means these are mine. So in this way you can make lot of sentences like those. Those are my poems. Those poems are mine. Those are mine. Next, these are your festivals. These festivals are yours. These are yours. Next, those are their belongings. Those belongings are theirs. Those are theirs. Belonging मतलब किसी व्यक्ति का जो सामान होता है, जो उससे बिलोंग करता है, तो belongings. Next, these are her cosmetic items. These cosmetic items are hers. These are hers. और his की बात करें, so these are his clothes. These clothes are his. These are his. In this way, you can make lots of examples. Before I finish my video, I would like to let you know the question of यानी interrogative of this chapter. For interrogative, two things you have to concentrate. First, SN मतलब singular, whose singular noun is this या फिर that. और second, whose PN are these and those, or what I mean to say कि without question no answer, unless and until people ask me कि ये किसका है या ये मोबाइल किनके हैं या ये रुमाल किनका है, तब तक मैं नहीं बोलूँगा ये मेरा है, उनका है, इसका है. सो क्वेश्चंस आर एज इम्पॉर्टेंट एज आंसर्स, या आंसर्स आर एज इम्पॉर्टेंट एज क्वेश्चंस. तो जब हम सिंगुलर मतलब जब हम सिंगुलर के लिए करेंगे सवाल, यानी कि दिस दैट के लिए, तो हुज सिंगुलर नाउन इज दिस और या फिर दैट. और जब बहुवचन के लिए करेंगे तो हुज पेन्स आर दीज या फिर दोज. दो एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. एग्जाम्पल, हुज आइडिया इज दैट. और व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हुज? हुज मीन्स किसका. हुज मीन्स किसका. यू कैन ऑल्सो स्पीक किसकी या फिर किसके. यू कैन यूज 3 वर्ड्स, किसका, किसकी या फिर किसके, राइट. क्योंकि हुज सिंगुलर के लिए भी इस्तेमाल होगा एंड हुज यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज फॉर प्लूरल. अब देखो, हुज आइडिया इज दिस, हुज यहाँ से लिया मैंने, आइडिया सिंगुलर, इज दिस, सॉरी दैट. तो फिर चालू हो जाओ. दैट इज माई आइडिया, दैट आइडिया इज माइन, दैट इज माइन, दैट इज योर आइडिया, दैट आइडिया इज योर्स, दैट इज योर्स, दैट इज आर आइडिया, that idea is ours, that is ours, that is their idea, that idea is theirs, that is theirs, that is his idea, that idea is his, that is his, that is her idea, that idea is hers, that is hers. यानी एक सवाल के 18 जवाब. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस दिस वे. कल को सवाल कैसे करोगे? जैसे हुज आइडिया इज दिस, कल को चेंज होगा, हुज मोबाइल इज दिस, हुज चेयर इज दिस, हुज बाइक इज दिस, हुज स्कूटी इज दिस. सो एक सवाल के 18 जवाब, यानी कि 18 आंसर्स. और सेम थिंग हियर, लाइक whose boxes are those and question mark boxes. So जैसे हमने 18 जवाब दिए यहाँ पर कि दिस इज माई आइडिया, दिस आइडिया इज माइन, दिस इज माइन. यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा, क्योंकि दो से सवाल है, तो दोज आर माई बॉक्सेस, दोज बॉक्सेस आर माइन, दोज आर माइन, दोज आर योर बॉक्सेस, दोज बॉक्सेस आर योर्स, those are yours, those are our boxes, those boxes are ours, those are ours, those are their boxes, those boxes are theirs, those are theirs, those are his boxes, those boxes are his, those are his, and last but not the least, those are her boxes, those boxes are hers, those are hers. So the way I have spoken, one question and 18 answers. Similarly, you guys have to practice at home, and trust me, if you keep speaking this way, it will get set on your tongue, or in future if you want to make mistake, you will not make mistake, that I guarantee that. So that is why today, you after learning it, you have to write it, you have to write in your copy, and you have to do rigorous practice. You know, sheer hard work, not only work hard, sheer hard work, yani very hard work you have to do it, and trust me, you will speak very good English. So now I will finish my video. So I will come next day with my new video. So keep watching my videos, keep liking, keep sharing, and I hope one day you would speak very good English. Goodbye. See you. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.